So a lot of people are looking for happiness. I've done it too. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you. But I realized that happiness comes from inside. Happiness isn't a constant. It's an energy. Just like sadness, anger, pain, depression, grace. All these are oceans of energy that flow through us. I know sometimes it's hard trying to figure out what to do next and how to handle the spiritual awakening of yourself and then the whole collective, and then still working and wondering why you're doing this. It's a lot. I tell people all the time, do something creative, something that gets your creative juices flowing. Creativity is one of the quickest ways to get back to source. Love, joy, enlightenment, peace, and happiness. But remember this, all emotion aren't constant. They're like waves, right? Your job is to learn how to flow with the wave, whatever wave comes. Having that neutral base and that neutral mindset itself, it helps a lot. When you start saying, man, there's some bullshit, just take a second. All right, so what can I control in this moment? What can I do to switch this around? Man, I'm tired of it. As soon as you start complaining, even I do it too. As soon as I start complaining, I'm like, wait a minute. Why am I wasting my energy doing this? This ain't being no kind of productive for me. To be real with y'all, life is meaningless. What gives life meaning is what you give to life. Like nothing has an inherent value without you. I'll give you an example, money. If everybody said, you know what, dollars don't exist anymore, they wouldn't exist. You know what? I love trees. Let me just go sit in trees. Cool. You know what? You get what I'm saying? A lot of life, if it doesn't vibe with you, just let it go. I had to realize that too, because there's some things we want to stick to so hard because we're used to it. We're creatures of habit, so we like being in routine. We like stuff that's easy for us. But every so often we need something to disrupt so that we can recognize our energy. The energy's provided so we can grow. That's why we keep getting challenges. If you never had challenges or periods where you like, oh, F this, oh, man, I hate this, yada, yada, you would never grow. That's why we have them. But once you reach the point to where you're just chilling like, all right, whatever happens, happiness, joy, whatever, it's cool. I'm mad. Okay. Life becomes real simple, simpler. Everything isn't roses and ponies. Sometimes it's thunderstorms and clouds and earthquakes and ish and poison rain. But at the end of it all, just focus on you. Do the best you can with what you got. Live your life. Experience, experience, experience. I'm enjoy. No coconut. Love you.